Are you tired of earning next to nothing on your savings? Do you feel like your hard-earned money is just sitting there not doing anything for you? It's frustrating to see your savings grow at a snail's pace, especially when you know there are better opportunities out there. It's time to put your money to work for you. Imagine if your money could grow while you sleep, steadily increasing in value without you having to lift a finger. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality that many people are already taking advantage of. By making smart investment choices, you can turn your stagnant savings into a dynamic wealth-building tool. Money market funds offer a safe and easy way to grow your wealth. These funds are designed to provide higher returns than traditional savings accounts while maintaining a high level of security. They invest in short-term, high-quality investments, making them a low-risk option for those looking to earn more on their savings. In this guide, we'll explore the ins and outs of money market funds and how BMO ETFs can help you achieve your financial goals. We'll break down the benefits, the risks, and the strategies you can use to maximize your returns. Whether you're new to investing or looking to diversify your portfolio, this guide will provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to make informed decisions. Get ready to take control of your money and watch it grow. With the right approach, you can transform your financial future. We'll show you how to get started, what to look for in a money market fund, and how BMO ETFs can be a valuable part of your investment strategy. Don't let your money sit idle any longer. Take action today and start building the wealth you deserve. Your financial future is in your hands, and with the right guidance, you can achieve your goals and secure a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. Imagine a big pot of money. This pot is filled with short-term investments like government bonds and treasury bills. These investments are considered very safe. When you invest in a money market fund, you're buying a piece of this pot. Your money is then put to work earning interest. It's like a savings account, but with the potential for better returns. Money market funds offer a unique combination of benefits. They are designed to provide investors with a safe place to invest easily accessible cash-equivalent assets. These funds are a popular choice for those looking to balance safety, liquidity, and steady growth in their investment portfolios. First, they are considered very safe. Money market funds invest in high-quality, short-term debt securities, which are generally less volatile than other types of investments. This means that the risk of losing your principal is very low. Financial institutions and fund managers take great care to ensure that these investments are secure, providing peace of mind to investors. Your principal is protected, so you don't have to worry about losing money. This makes money market funds an excellent option for conservative investors or those who are nearing retirement and want to preserve their capital. Additionally, these funds are often used as a temporary holding place for cash that will be invested in other opportunities in the future. Second, they are highly liquid. Liquidity refers to how quickly and easily you can access your money. With money market funds, you can typically withdraw your funds at any time without penalty. This makes them an ideal choice for emergency funds or for investors who may need quick access to their money for unexpected expenses. You can access your money quickly and easily whenever you need it. Whether you need to transfer funds to your checking account, withdraw cash from an ATM, or make a purchase, money market funds provide the flexibility you need to manage your finances effectively. This ease of access is one of the key reasons why many people choose to invest in money market funds. Finally, money market funds offer consistent returns. While the returns may not be as high as those from more aggressive investments, they are generally higher than traditional savings accounts. This makes money market funds a good option for those looking to earn a bit more on their cash without taking on significant risk. While the returns may not be huge, they are generally higher than traditional savings accounts. Over time, these steady returns can add up, helping you to grow your wealth gradually. This makes money market funds a valuable component of a diversified investment strategy, providing a balance of safety, liquidity, and growth potential. BMO ETFs are a great option for Canadians looking to invest in money market funds. These funds are designed to provide stability and liquidity, making them an excellent choice for both novice and experienced investors. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or seeking a safe haven for your savings, BMO ETFs offer a reliable solution. They offer a wide range of low-cost ETFs that provide exposure to different money market instruments. This means you can choose from a variety of options that suit your investment goals and risk tolerance. From short-term government securities to corporate bonds, BMO ETFs cover a broad spectrum of the money market, ensuring that there's something for everyone. BMO ETFs are also highly liquid and can be easily bought and sold on major stock exchanges. This liquidity ensures that you can enter and exit positions with ease, without worrying about significant price fluctuations. Whether you're trading through a traditional brokerage or using a mobile app, BMO ETFs provide the flexibility and accessibility you need to manage your investments effectively. With BMO ETFs, you can invest with confidence knowing you're getting a quality product from a trusted Canadian institution. BMO has a long-standing reputation for financial excellence and customer service, making it a preferred choice for many Canadians. Their commitment to innovation and transparency ensures that you have access to the best investment options available. So, whether you're planning for retirement, saving for a major purchase, or simply looking to grow your wealth, BMO ETFs provide a smart, secure, and efficient way to achieve your financial goals. Building a balanced portfolio with BMO Money Market ETFs. A balanced portfolio is essential for long-term financial success. Money market funds should be a part of every well-rounded portfolio. They provide stability and reduce your overall risk. Think of them as the anchor of your portfolio, keeping things steady while other investments, like stocks, may fluctuate. Emergency Fund Power Up, your safety net. Everyone needs an emergency fund. This is money you set aside for unexpected expenses like a medical bill or car repair. Money market funds are a great place to keep your emergency fund. They offer easy access to your money while still earning interest. Don't wait for an emergency to happen. Start building your safety net today. Rebalancing. Keeping your portfolio on track. Over time, your investment portfolio may become unbalanced. This means that some investments may have grown more than others. Rebalancing is the process of selling some of your winners and reinvesting in other areas. This helps to maintain your desired asset allocation and reduce risk. Think of it like tuning up your car. Regular maintenance keeps everything running smoothly, making your money work harder. Tips for maximum impact. To get the most out of your money market fund investments, consider these tips. First, reinvest your earnings. This allows your money to compound over time, leading to greater growth. Second, combine money market funds with other stable assets like bonds. This can help to further diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. Take control of your financial future today. Don't let your money sit idle. Money market funds offer a safe and easy way to grow your wealth. With BMO ETFs, Canadian investors have access to a wide range of high-quality money market funds. Take the first step towards financial freedom. Start investing in your future today.